In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a QR code for your Constant Contact link. First, open the Constant Contact page, form, email, or landing page you want to share. Think about where you want people to end up. Is it a sign-up form, a donation page, a recent campaign, or a special landing page? Having that target in mind will make everything else straightforward. Next, copy the shareable URL for that item. In Constant Contact, look for the option that provides a public or share link. This is the address your audience will visit when they scan the code, so make sure it's the live, viewable version rather than an internal editing link. A quick test in your browser can confirm that it loads exactly what you expect. From here, you have two options. If Constant Contact offers a built-in share option with a QR code, use it. It's the simplest path and ensures the link is embedded correctly. If you don't see that option, use a trusted QR code generator. Either way, the goal is the same. Turn your copied link into a scannable code. Create the QR code from that link. Paste the URL into the generator, then review any customization settings. For reliability, keep the code high contrast. Dark code on a light background works best. And avoid overly intricate designs that could affect scan accuracy. If your link is long, choose a larger image size so the code isn't too dense. Static codes are usually perfect for general sharing. Now download the QR code image. PNG is a solid default for most uses, and SVG is great if you need crisp scaling for design work. For printed materials, choose a high-resolution download so the code remains clear at the size you intend to print. Save the file with a descriptive name so you can find it easily later. Finally, add the QR code to your email, flyer, landing page, or printed material. Place it somewhere visible with enough white space around it so scanners can pick it up quickly. Include a short prompt like scan to sign up or scan for details. And keep the code large enough to scan comfortably, at least an inch wide for print, larger if people will scan from a distance. In digital layouts, don't stretch or distort the image. Scale it evenly to maintain readability. As a best practice, do a quick scan on a couple of devices to confirm it opens the correct Constant Contact link. And that's it. You've opened your content, copied the shareable URL, used the share option or a QR code generator, created the code, downloaded it, and placed it where your audience can engage with it instantly.